Hey everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. So I had a feeling this video would be coming soon, especially after the whole Ipsy update. So as you guys already know from the title of this video, today we are talking all things Boxycharm. Boxycharm dumped some updates on us today. Pretty exciting stuff, but maybe some people aren't too happy with it. We're gonna get all into it. But if you guys have not gotten an email from Boxycharm today, or you haven't checked your email, definitely check it out. I think all Boxycharm members should have received an email from Boxycharm, and the title of the email was the biggest announcement we have ever made, and it is pretty big. So today we're going to talk about the changes, pretty much go through the email they sent us, and then a little bit of additional information I've received since then, but pretty much we're going to break down the email. And then after we do this, we can continue the discussion in the comment section. So if you guys have any more information or you just want to share your thoughts, definitely comment down below. But the two major things are a price update and a new subscription option. So let's dive into the email. Before we do that, just want to remind you all, I do have some giveaways going on. I will leave those down below. And if you didn't know what I was talking about in the beginning of this video when I mentioned the Ipsy updates, I'll link that video down below as well. I feel like I'm like out of breath. I like just got home. I want to film this video so bad, so excuse me. And also my appearance is a little whack, but I'm a big dork. I printed out the email so we can go through what it says. So it says, hello Charmer. We're always looking to improve the Charmer experience, so we're excited to announce new membership benefits and new Boxycharm Premium. So Boxycharm Premium will be the new subscription. But let's start out with the changes with the regular subscription first. So it says, starting in November, you'll be able to test complexion swatches for products better matched to your skin tone, which thrills me. If you guys watch my channel, you guys know I am all about like trying new foundations and stuff, and I love that Ipsy has been sending out foundations. So it sounds like now we'll be able to do that with Boxycharm. So I guess I don't know if they're gonna be like sending out like little swatches for us to try like with our boxes, or how they're going to do that. So it says test complexion swatches. So if anyone has any more information on that one, definitely let me know, let us know, everyone in the comment section, because that's super exciting. I'm all about that change. Can't wait to get complexion products. And I love that they're gonna send out stuff for us to test so they can really get a better feel of what our shades are. Next up, it says, Boxycharm subscribers can now select one item in their box every month. This is a similar change to what is happening with Ipsy. So BoxyLux members can now select 1 to 3 items every 3 months. So with your regular Boxycharm, you can pick 1 item, so that is new. And I guess recently we've been able to do this with BoxyLux, but they're gonna for sure continue it. We're gonna be able to choose between 1 to 3 items for our BoxyLux. And now you're going to be able to add on more things. It says add more beauty products at member exclusive prices with free shipping each month. So I guess they're going to have like more options like in the charm room, or just add on options in a different section. I'm not too positive about that one. They mentioned Boxy pop-up. We had that once. I didn't participate in it, but I watched a lot of videos and heard from you guys. You got some great deals, and I browsed through. They were really great deals. I'm just like kind of on a no-buy besides subscription boxes. Like I get everything from my boxes, so I don't really feel like I needed anything, but it was very tempting. So it says more beauty and lifestyle product deals at up to 80% off will now be available every quarter, with the next one in November. So all these changes are taking place in November, including the Boxy pop-up. And then a big thing is now like the Boxycharm value is going to be greater. So they always said you get 4 to 5 products with at least $100 in value. And now they're saying the Boxycharm box will be valued at over $125. So that is a big change. I saw someone post something the other day that they were saying $145. I'm not sure where they got that information, but as of today, the value will be at least $125 per box. And it's been around that a lot lately. Sometimes it's like 116, but now you'll get even a greater value, so that is an exciting change. But with that greater value, you're going to be paying more money too. So you're going to be paying a little bit more money, but you're going to be getting a greater value in your box. So starting in November, price change, it says to deliver this ever-improving member experience, we're updating the Boxycharm price to $25 per month starting November 1st, 2019. The BoxyLux price of $49.99 every 3 months will remain the same. So now it's going to be $25, which is the same as like an Ipsy Plus. So you're going to be paying $4 more than before. So I'm pretty sure though, if you want to upgrade your plan right now, you would not get charged that price, because in the next paragraph it says, if your prepaid subscription plan renews in October, you will be rebilled based on the $21 per month price. If your prepaid subscription plan renews in or after November, you will be rebilled based on the $25 per month price. So they don't say it, but I'm pretty sure if you don't like this price increase, but you want to continue with Boxycharm, you can upgrade now. Like, I'm pretty sure mine renews in October, and I pay 3 months at a time, so I'll be charged the $21 or like a little bit less per month, and then my next bill will be, that price increase will be reflected. So I think if you upgrade now, you will save that money, but if you don't, starting in November, you will be charged the $25. Okay, now let's talk about the new box. So Boxycharm Premium is going to be a new option. So it says here in the email, that's not all. This November, we're excited to launch Boxycharm Premium, a new and even bigger monthly beauty box featuring 6 to 7 beauty products valued at over $175, and you pay $35 per month. Initial quantities will be limited, and that says sign up here to know when the waitlist opens. So I think there was some confusion about this. So pretty much what they're doing in this email, you click sign up here, you're signing up to get information about the waitlist. So you're not actually on the waitlist with this. You'll get an email once the waitlist opens. I have a feeling, I don't know, remember when BoxyLuxe first started, that chaos? I was like so upset. I was refreshing and all this stuff trying to get on that waitlist or trying to actually get the box. So maybe they learned from that and this process will be easier. But as of now, there's no official waitlist, but you can sign up to find out about the waitlist. Sign up to, later on, sign up for the waitlist. So it's just to get more information. So if you guys haven't done that, check your email. I'll try and link down below if I can, like how to sign up for information on the waitlist. So in no way does this tie you to any like payment commitment or anything like that. It's just so you can find out more information. And I guess it'll be before November sometime, because November is when this starts. And it says, and the best part is you don't have to wait. Oh, I didn't even notice this. I didn't read this part, but as of today, the choice for October box opened. So we already received, or at least I already received my September Boxyluxe. And I know a lot of people received the regular Boxycharm as well, but as of today, we can start to choose our October product. I didn't even look at that yet. Oh my God, I have to grab my computer in a second. And then September add-ons start Tuesday, September 24th, 2019. I'm pretty sure they meant October add-ons because we already got our September boxes, so I think that's just a typo. So on Tuesday, September 24th, you'll be able to access the add-on shop, so that is really exciting. So it says more benefits, new box, Boxycharm just keeps getting better. We can't wait to keep charming you. So I also printed out the sheet that comes up when it says sign up here. That gives you a little bit more information about the new Boxycharm Premium. So they gave like a little chart comparing all of the boxes, so Boxycharm, BoxyLuxe, and Boxycharm Premium. So the value for Boxycharm will now be at least $125. BoxyLuxe is over $275, and the Boxycharm Premium is over $175. And again, starting in November, your regular Boxycharm will be price increase up to $25 from $21, and then the Boxycharm Premium will be $35. And then the BoxyLuxe price is staying the same at $49.99 every 3 months. And the product type, so with the Boxycharm Premium, this is something to note, it's not going to be like the BoxyLuxe where you get beauty and lifestyle products. It'll be just beauty products similar to the regular Boxycharm. So that's like the big difference is the price, also the product type, so it'll be just beauty, not beauty and lifestyle, and you'll get 6 to 7 items. You'll get to choose one item, and then yeah, I think that's everything. So I think they did a good job explaining. I think I'm not alone in having questions on if you can keep both your regular Boxycharm or your Boxycharm Premium, or do you upgrade it? So someone did send a message over to Boxycharm asking about whether you can like just get Boxycharm Premium and then every 3 months upgrade to BoxyLuxe. So I'm gonna pull that up right now to get Boxycharm's response. All right, so I'm just reading someone's question here. I know you couldn't see that, but I'm gonna read it to you. So someone asked Boxycharm, they're like, oh, so you cannot upgrade Boxycharm to Boxy Premium and get BoxyLuxe? And Boxycharm replied, "Hey love, since Boxycharm Premium is brand new, we're still working on allowing Boxycharm Premium to upgrade to BoxyLuxe. For now, it is not possible to upgrade your Boxycharm Premium subscription to BoxyLuxe. BoxyLuxe is currently available as an upgrade to Boxycharm subscription. If you'd like to receive BoxyLuxe in the meantime, you will need a Boxycharm subscription in addition to your Boxycharm Premium subscription." So this does answer the question I had, is if you can have your regular Boxycharm and your Boxycharm Premium, and they are suggesting yes. But if you want BoxyLuxe, you have to have the regular Boxycharm subscription and then get your BoxyLuxe every 3 months in exchange for that regular Boxycharm. But you can't do that right now with the Boxycharm Premium. That seems kind of confusing. So if that doesn't make sense, just let me know. Maybe I can explain better in the comments, or I'll try and like put the screenshot of what was sent to me up here. So it seems like, just in summary, you can have both Boxycharm and Boxycharm Premium. But if you want BoxyLuxe, you have to be subscribed to the regular Boxycharm at this time. But they're trying to make it work out in the future that you can get Boxycharm Premium and then get the BoxyLuxe. So I obviously signed up to get information on the wait list. So you know your girl's gonna get it eventually. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm not gonna like get my hopes up about getting it in November just after the whole BoxyLuxe fiasco that happened the first month. I didn't get it and I was really down and upset. So I don't want to be like that this month, so I'm not going to get my hopes up on that, but I am going to try my best. But I'm going to grab my computer and let's see what the options are for October. So I'm logging into my Boxycharm account right now and it's starting to pour outside, so if you hear that, that's Florida weather for you. So right on their website, it says now, this looks different, your customized beauty membership. Wow. And on here, this is where the confusion is. It says over $185 value for only $21 per month. I don't know why it says that, maybe because that's just what this month's value was or something like that. So that's a little confusing. And it looks like right now, when you sign up, you can get a free Becca gift, $39 value with code GetMyBecca. So I'll leave that down below if you guys are not subscribed to Boxycharm yet. But yeah, now it says the Boxycharm difference. It talks about how you can customize the first and only box where you test foundation swatches for products better match your skin tone. So I really want to know how that's gonna go. I'm really excited about that, but let's see. I'm gonna go to my account. Oh, I'm not even logged in yet. Okay, so right when I log in, on the top right corner, it says choice and then open on it. So I'm clicking that and it says it's time to make your choice for October's box. To secure your choice, ensure your payment method is up to date by September 30th. Okay, so there are 3 options. One of them is choose for me, so it could be like a surprise. The first one is Iconic London 1 Prep Set Glow Spray in Original or Glow, or you can get the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. So I'll like put photos up here. So a glow spray, you don't get to choose if it's original or glow though, it looks like. I tried to click on it to get more information and it just nothing, and then you press submit. So do I want a Prep Set Glow Spray in original or glow? So is that like a setting spray? I'm doing a little Google search right now. And it looks like, it says Prep Set Glow. It has a $31 value. Well, depending on the size, there's 2 sizes. The 75 ml is $26, the 120 ml is $31. It has like 4.5 stars on their website. It says skincare meets makeup, hydrates, refreshes, fixes, illuminates, ultra fine shimmer for an all over glow. And then there's original or glow. Glow looks like it's a little dark, but we don't get to pick it. So it looks like there's like some bronziness in it. It says it's time to get glowing. Prep Set Glow is a gorgeous hydrating mist that feels refreshing and contains light reflecting properties that leaves the skin with Iconics Glow. The stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to the bare face, and is 100% vegan. This wonder spray has extracts of cucumber and chamomile, which will give you a standout gloss. It's also rich in antioxidants. Oops, I just clicked away. So original is a perfect champagne glow to make any skin tone radiant and glossy, and then the glow is a beautiful bronze glow to bring a more sun-kissed gloss to any skin tone. So both sound kind of good, but I don't know if the bronze one would be a little bit too dark for my complexion, so I wish we had the choice on that one. So that's the information on the Prep and Glow spray. So you're supposed to use it before makeup application. You can also use it to spray your eyeshadow brush, and then you can use it for one final spritz after. So it's just like a setting spray that you can use before and after and during makeup application. So that sounds good to me, actually. At first I thought it was like a tanning thing just because it looks so bronzy in the photo. Okay, next up, the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm. Honestly, I have like way too much skincare type stuff, but looks like this is $32. And the Touch in Sol Pretty Filter Glassy Skin Balm is an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensationally smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. A Glow Balm delivers optimal prepped canvas for makeup. All you need in a busy morning is this 5-in-1 Glow Balm. This all-in-one balm delivers rolls of hydrating cream, moist pack, primer, glow cream, and boosting for your radiant skin. How to use is the last step of skincare routine. Apply evenly to the face as needed to achieve a dewy and glowy look. It says a 4.4 rating. Oh, it only has 5 reviews on Ulta. There's 4 5-star reviews and 1 2-star review. They said, well, it looks like someone has dry skin, someone has normal or dry skin. They both love it. And the dry skin user really likes it. And then one person said it did not work for them. It had a strong smell, oily texture, made my skin break out in hives. Oh wow, so they had a bad reaction to it. So of course they didn't like that. So that's the one bad review. They seemed like they were allergic to it or something like that. Someone else said they've been using it for a month now and they're obsessed. So I just think I have so many primers. If you guys watch my Shop My Stash, which I was supposed to film today, I'm gonna get to that probably tomorrow now. Sorry guys, if anyone cares. I don't think those videos are very highly viewed, but I just have so many like skin prep things, like primers and like specifically. So I think I'm gonna take my chances and choose the Iconic London Prep Set Glow Spray and hope for the original, and if not, hope that the bronzy one works for me, because I do really enjoy setting sprays and I don't have as many as I have primers. So I'm gonna submit. And then it says, congrats. You will be receiving one of the variations of the Iconic London's Prep Set Glow Spray in Original or Glow. And yeah, so that's it. So in the right hand corner when you log in, you won't miss it. It says choice open. I'm not sure how long you have to pick it. I think you have until September 30th, but if anyone knows, is there like a smaller window just for choosing your item? Or do you have to do it like today? I don't know if they like run out or what. So you guys have to let me know your experience if you guys know anything else. So yeah, that's all the changes. I think that's so exciting that we got to choose our October item today. I didn't even know that when I started this video, so that's super exciting. You guys have to let me know. Are you guys gonna get the Boxycharm Premium? And if you do, are you gonna cancel your Boxycharm or continue both? Are you gonna get all 3? I guess I am. I don't know, at least for a little bit. What are your thoughts on the changes, the price increase, the add-ons, all of that? Let's continue this discussion in the comment section. I cannot wait to hear your thoughts. I'm gonna really try and get this video up right away. I don't know why I'm telling you this part. Whenever you're seeing it, it's up. I have like dinner plans in like an hour. I'm gonna be like, can I push this back? Boxycharm made some changes. But anyways, I love you guys so much and I hope you're having an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.